Robotics has been around at Mines since the late 90s. They're what people call the 4Ds of robotics. We want robots to do things that are difficult, dirty, dangerous, or dull. Things that humans can't or don't want to do. But that means, by definition, there needs to be an interaction with the human. Students who would come to this program will be people who want to build robots or who want to work with robots. We've intended to give you the skills, if you come out of this program, to go out and actually develop robotic systems, the technical skills. We have faculty members working on better medical devices, working on vision-aided surgery. One of the most exciting and popular areas is self-driving cars, and it's just a really exciting time at Mines.